Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about chapter number 12, exponents and powers. This one is a video part 1. First one, chapter number 12, exponents and power. We will discuss about some properties of this chapter. First property, same base and different power and multiply, then sum of power 7 raised to 4 multiply 7 raised to 3 is equal to 7 raised to 4 plus 3. Addition in a power, if multiply then addition in a power 7 raised to 7. Second property, base same and divide, then subtraction in a power 7 raised to 8 divide 7 raised to 3 is equal to 7 raised to 8 minus 3, 7 raised to 5. Third property on this chapter, base different and multiply and power same, 7 raised to 3, 8 raised to 3. Therefore, 7 multiply 8 raised to 3, common power, 7 8s are 56, 56 raised to 3. Now, same to same, base same and base different and same power, then division and power of 3. Now fourth property, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1 answer. For example, 100 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 201 raised to 0 is equal to 1, when any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now we will start exercise 12.1. Question number 1. First question, evaluate. Question first, 3 raised to minus 2. Okay, this one 3 raised to minus 2. Reciprocal of 3, then power minus convert to plus. Then reciprocal of 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Then power of minus 2 is convert to plus 2. Then answer is equal to 1 by 3 square is equal to 3 3 is a 9, 1 by 9. Second one, minus 4 raised to minus 2. First one, reciprocal of minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus 4. Minus 2 convert to plus 2. Okay, now you know that any negative number, even power, then answer always positive. Negative number and odd power, then answer negative. So minus 4, 2 is even, then minus 4, 4 square is equal to 16. But answer is a positive because power 2 is a even. Then answer is equal to 1 by 16. Third one, 1 by 2 raised to minus 5. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Power minus 5 convert to 5. 2 raised to 5. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 is the answer. Now question number 2 in exercise 12.1. Simplify and result in a power notation. Simplify first question, minus 4 raised to 5 divide minus 4 raised to 8. Okay, same base and division, then power subtraction minus 4 5 minus 8. Okay, minus 4 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. Now negative power, then reciprocal of minus 1 by minus 4 is equal to 1 upon minus 4. Power of 3. This one is the answer of question number 1. Now in a question number 2, second question. 1 by 2 raised to 3 power of 2. Then separately power 1 square, 2 power 3 into 2. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 power 3 to the 6, 2 raised to 6. This one is the answer. Now third question. Minus 3 raised to 4, 5 by 3 raised to 4. Okay, separately minus 3 raised to 4, minus 3, 4 even power, then answer is equal to positive. Now separately power 5 raised to 4, divide 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4 cut, answer is equal to 5 raised to 4. Now question number 4, in second question. 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 multiply 3 raised to minus 5. Division, then subtraction in a power, minus 7 minus minus 10 multiply 3 raised to minus 5. Minus 7 minus minus plus plus 10 multiply 3 raised to minus 5. Minus 7 plus 10 is equal to plus 3 power of minus 5. Okay, now multiply, then addition in a power, 3 plus minus 5. Plus or minus minus, then 3 raised to 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 raised to minus 2. Now minus power, then reciprocal of 3 is equal to 1 by 3, 3 raised to 2. Means answer is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 2. Here in a question, answer always in a power notation. This one is a question number 4. Now question number 5. 2 raised to minus 3 multiply minus 7 raised to minus 3. Now both power equal, then multiply 2 minus 7 is equal to power minus 3. 2 into minus 7 is equal to minus 14 raised to minus 3. Now minus 3 power, then reciprocal of 1 upon minus 14 and power 3. This one is the answer of a question number 5. Okay, thank you.